guys, welcome back. It's been a little while, but I just want to let you guys know that today's the date that I get my car tuned. I went back through the vehicle just to make sure everything's good, everything's working right, and so far everything's good. Got the expansion tank for the methanol completely full, running M1, so it's full methanol. I've also, the only thing I didn't install is my fuel injectors, which I'm gonna get them there in the box. Other than that, guys, I'm fixing to start it up and head on out. I've got an hour drive, and hopefully if everything goes right and nothing's wrong with it and the installation of everything was done properly, I should get my car back maybe the next day, tomorrow, or the following day after that. So just gonna wait until I get some juice in that battery. After that, I'm gonna start it up. But like I mentioned, I went through the vehicle just to make sure that everything's right. I went ahead and changed that coupler. It was ran. Got a longer one, a black one. I got a new coupler at from the intercooler to the pipe. That one right there. As far as the gauges go, I've got everything hooked up. Talking about gauges, I gotta get the oxygen sensor for this gauge. I couldn't find anybody the well stainless steel. They don't want to touch it, so I ended up just wiring up that gauge, but didn't install it. I mean, it's not working. So I'm gonna get that. I'm glad I remember that. I have to get it. Hey man, comment down below and let me know what you think on what the car's gonna make to the wheels. I'm hoping it makes 700s, but even if it doesn't, it's all good. I'm pretty sure it will, but we'll see. We'll see, and I won't find that out until tomorrow, maybe the following day after that, when it's time for me to come pick it up. But what's up, guys? Welcome back to Rosales Garage and to another video and a complete update off the car. Well, as you can see, the car is completely tuned. It's road ready, and we're gonna do a couple of pulls here in a minute, but I want to let you guys know, I'm going to show you guys what the difference in horsepower is on this car versus cam only versus a blower cam, methanol, and other stuff that I did to the car. But I have a download sheet from when I got a cam, and that is what you're looking at with a cam only BTR stage 4 cam. And it's just a cam, nothing else. Well, actually the You got your headers, no long tube headers, no cats. And this is your after with the blower setup. M1 methanol, 100% methanol. Bigger injectors, of course. Booster pump, and so that right there, it's awesome power right there, you know, versus your cam only. Obviously it's gonna be different, but it's good power at 8 pounds of boost. It's not bad at all. I know it's got room for more, but I'm gonna keep it where's it at right now. And yeah guys, so that's it. So the car's making 700 wheel horsepower at 8 pounds of boost with a 3.8 pulley, which I know for a fact, you know, if I drop the pulley size, it will make more, but I'm gonna keep it where it's at right now. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore as far as power wise goes. 3.8 is fine. You know, it's like I said, it's got room for more. It's making that amount at 8 pounds of boost, so I can drop the pull size and make more, and you know, maybe do a blower cam and do a fuel system, and it'll be a little bit over or close to, probably I would say 800. But again, I'm gonna leave it where it's at right now just to be on the safe side. As far as the wheels go, you know, it's 700 wheel and it spins through second, third, and fourth. I'm not lying, it spins. So I know that for a fact I'm gonna have to drop the wheel tire size in the rear. So that's one thing that I'm gonna be looking forward to doing my wheels in the back. And I'm also hoping that the clutch will last me until winter time, because I know I'm gonna have to upgrade on the clutch. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna be looking into a twin disc. That is it for the car as far as now. You know, I know that every winter time, you know, I end up messing with the car, and it's down for 2-3 months, just me messing with it. But as far as the power wise in the car, I'm gonna leave it alone, and I'm gonna focus more on my brakes. I'm gonna focus on my suspension, wheels, and fuel system, along with the clutch, and I'll be happy. But I'm happy that it made what it made. I was looking forward into that. I'm not gonna complain. The car runs well, it runs smooth, it runs normal at a lower RPMs. You know, there's really nothing that I can complain about. Again, it's very fun to drive, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple of pulls that I've not done on the car, and then we'll go from there and talk about it some more. Yes, it does buckle. 1,500 RPMs, but it's not as bad as people make it sound like. You know, it's not that bad at all. I drove on a BTR Stage 4 cam for 2 years on cam only and never had any issues with it. You know, you get used to it, and my car's a manual, so you know it might be different for automatics, but like I've said, you know, you'll get used to it and it becomes normal. You know what I mean? And right now I've got the same cam, blower and all that stuff, and it doesn't feel any different. At 8 pounds of booze, making 700, it's pretty freaking cool, and for a street car. Besides being cool, it's freaking fun to drive. It's awesome. Wait till you guys hear that blow-off valve, man. That blow-off valve is freaking awesome. That blow-off valve, I think about the coolest thing I like about this car right now is that blow-off valve. It's just freaking amazing. It's cool as hell. We're gonna go through this pool real quick, and I'm not experiencing good pool, but I'm gonna go see how it feels. Rubbing and shit?
Yeah.